Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. So OpenAI has also a video generator. I don't know if you heard about it, but I wanted to present you this video generator, which is called Sora, and we are going to discover it. I've been using it while commuting in the transport. I've recorded my screen on my phone, and I'll be able to show you how it works and the quality of the video that you get from it. As always, please like and subscribe, and we're gonna go straight into the video. Let's get started. Here we are in the screen. So we have different subscriptions. I have the GPT Plus, so I can have 5-second duration videos, maximum quality 720p, while the Pro, GPT Pro, paying $200 a month. That's what I'm not gonna do. But you get more videos generated, the quality is higher, and yeah, you get more seconds. The duration of the video is 20 seconds, and you can get up to 500 videos. So when you arrive, you just subscribe, you enter your username. Here we're gonna enter a secret username. You're all Creditizens, so just Creditizens on your first name. And after you go next, and here we are arriving the landing page. So watch a quick video introduction. So here there will be some video posted by the community. Generated, by the community. You'll get some samples. So I'm trying to look at some videos. I get some with the black screen, but you can see down there you can edit prompt. Editing prompts is good, so you can see how those are structured. They're using brackets so that you can write a nice prompt. Today we are just going to use a easy prompt, and I'm going to show you also how to enhance your prompt in an easy way. Create your first video using the composer. Here we have the list grid, the layout, aspect ratio, prompt, storyboard, remixes, different options. And let's write our first prompt. So the interface is very intuitive. You get a button just to write the first prompt. You press on it. There is a pen on the button. And here we're gonna write a person waiting in Shibuya next to Hachiko. There's a little typo, but it's okay. OpenAI models are good enough to understand the meaning of the sentence. So next to Hachiko, with a pen and paper, while busy, say Gyarus first and salaryman. So this is a mythical story of Hachiko and the person waiting with a pen of paper next to the GR station. And the salarymen are walking around to cross the place and get to the GR station. This is our prompt. There is a way to enhance the prompt. Here you get some different options down there. Here we're going to choose 720p. It's going to be slower to generate, but the quality is better. We got 5 seconds. The other options are not available for my subscription. And here we're going to generate 2 videos. So we get 2 samples. So you press on storyboard. That's the trick. When you press on storyboard, here, press on storyboard, and the prompt is going to be enhanced. It's going to pass through the AI. What is nice with storyboard is that you can do those scenes of 2 seconds, 5 seconds, and get a longer video being generated. It's good if you're good in scripting. But you can see here the prompt has been enhanced. Fashionable heroes with vibrant outfits and so on. Just gonna copy it and use this to create our first video. So let's just go back and paste this here. Okay. And I'm gonna add a little bit of a Japanese sentence, saying that people are busy. So Hitoga Okute, I'm gonna say that there's many people and that they are busy. Okute and Hisogashi. I don't know if I'm gonna be polite or not. Let's be polite. Hisogashi desu. And after you press the up arrow just to send your prompt, and we're gonna send it. This video hasn't been fast forwarded, so here you can see those kangaroos dancing. This is for the mates, and we're waiting while the video is being generated. It's gonna be quick. I mean, it's acceptable. So here we can see the percentage of completion. We got 2 videos generated, and we just arrived at 50%. So we're gonna be waiting together a few seconds more. This is good also if you can write storyboards. So you get your images and you just prepare a little prompt for those images, and you place here your prompt on trying to recreate that story in a video form. Okay, now we got it. Got those video generated. Titled The Contemplation at Shibuya Crossing. We keep consistent, we stay at Shibuya. Those videos are here. This is one of those. I'm gonna be zooming after, it's just to see that we can edit the prompt, view the story, recut, remix, blend. And here I'm gonna download the video. Okay, download is complete, has been quick. And I'm gonna do the same for the second video, which is this one. Video. You see in YouTube, all the videos are having just scenes of 2 seconds, 10 seconds, 5 seconds, passing from one scene to another to keep the attention of the viewer. Not like my videos, but yeah. This means that you can use this kind of generator. This is one of the video. It's not perfect, but you can see behind, we can recognize the Starbucks in the tower. The place, we can see the salaryman crossing. It shows a Hachiko, it's not at the right place, but still. Okay, so you've seen now that you can have access to Sora. There are some conditions. You need to be in the United States. You need also to have at least a subscription. If you don't have any subscription and you are a free user, you won't be able to have access to it. And after, you'll be able to create your storyboards and try to make your amazing videos. I believe that you can make nice videos with that. If it is a fantastic story, something that is not close to reality, because it's not yet perfect. But you see the quality, for me, the quality is good. After I haven't seen 3 legs, I haven't seen just the closes maybe weren't perfect, and the positioning of the buildings. But this could be improved by prompting with a longer prompt and having some negative prompting techniques also. Alright, I'm gonna stop here. I hope that you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and again, if you subscribe to the channel, visit the other videos. We need more engagement, and like those videos. Thank you. See you next time.